Hello WordPress user, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster. Thank you for checking out another episode. Today I'm going to show you how I got my hacked WordPress site fixed by using a Fiverr service for $5. And I use Fiverr a lot to hire people to fix WordPress errors, malware, hacked sites. So with this person right here, this Fiverr seller, Sachinmaster, he's got a rating of 5 stars and over 4,800 ratings. So he is a legit high quality Fiverr seller, and he will clean your virus or malware or hacked WordPress website within 24 hours. He will actually do all kinds of other services as well, including these things. He will fix your site and actually help you remove blacklist if your site's blacklisted. If it's hijacked, he will fix backdoor patches, infected database files. So this guy is a real pro, and it's $5 for the basic malware cleaning. After ordering from him, I was so happy. He got it fixed. It was really easy as well. I just ordered for $5. So here's the order I actually bought from him. When you place an order, is just hand over the login information to your WordPress site. And I also gave him my hosting account login, my cPanel login information, and that was it. That was that easy. Just hand over the login, and 24 hours later, everything's fixed. I'm happy. Left him 5-star reviews here. So now I am happily promoting his gig. So if you have errors, if your site's hacked, even if it's not WordPress, just contact him right here. Click on his username and then simply contact him right here, and then simply click on the contact me button right here and talk to him. So check him out. Take a look at my link below for his Fiverr gig. Anyhow, this is a lot cheaper than buying through other services you find on Google, which can cost $50, $100, hundreds of dollars. So I highly recommend Sachinmaster. Again, the link is below this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps. And until next time, happy blogging.